Okay class, this is an example from final December 2018, question number 3C. Okay, figure below shows a closed small cylindrical can with radius r and hinge height is placed on a large cylinder. The radius of large cylinder is 2r and height is 2h centimeter. So if the surface area of both cylinders are 350 pi centimeter square, express h in terms of r. So your first problem is we have to find the surface area. Okay, so given here it is a closed small cylinder can, so meaning the surface area that will be count will be this one. The first one is the circle, and then the second one is this one. Okay, so if you open your cylinder, okay, so badan dia tu, okay, the body will be in the form of a rectangle. So this rectangle. Alright, so if you opened the length, okay, the length here, okay, the length here will be the perimeter. So the length here will be the perimeter of a circle. So what is the formula of perimeter of a circle? So the perimeter of a circle, it will be 2 pi r. Alright, so this one will be 2 pi r, and the width will be, so the width will be the height. Okay, this height. Right, so it will be, here is h. Okay, and then next we have to count for this one. This is number 3, so you have to count this one. Okay, alright, so what will be the formula? Okay, the formula will be, okay, a large, okay, the large circle minus with the small circle. Okay, meaning the large circle will be, so this one will be large circle minus small circle. Sorry. Okay, so the large circle, it will be, so pi r square, so pi, the r will be 2r square, okay, minus the small circle is pi r square, so it will be pi, and the r is r square, so it will be 4 pi r square. It will be 4 pi r square minus pi r square. So you have the same variables here, pi r square, so 4 minus 1, you will get, it is 3 pi r square. Sorry. Okay, next. Okay, next we have here is this is number 4. Okay, the body of the large cylinder, so it will be in the form of a rectangle. Alright, so the length will be the perimeter of your large cylinder. So the perimeter will be 2 pi r, so 2 pi, and the r is 2r. Okay, meaning here will be 4 pi r, and then the height will be your height. So the height is 2h. Right, and lastly we have is the bottom, okay, the circle. Right, so we have 5 things that you need to calculate. Okay class, next let's continue with the solution. So now for number 1, okay, your surface area formula will be, so A will be number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 plus number 4 plus number 5, which means you have A is, so the area of your circle A1 is pi r square, plus, so number 2 we have the area is 2 pi r h, plus number 3 we have 3 pi r square, plus number 4 we have 4 pi r times 2h, and number 5 we have is pi times 2r square. Okay, alright, so now then we simplify. We have here is 4 pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus 3 pi r square, plus, so this one will be 8 pi r h, and then plus 4 pi r square. Then simplify, we have here is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So we have 8 pi r square, plus then we have here is 2 pi r h plus 8 pi r h, we have 10 pi r h. And the question is, if the surface area of both cylinders are 350 pi, express h in terms of r. So now we have is 8 pi r square plus 10 pi r h equals to 350 pi. Okay, then simplify. We have here is pi. You can factorize your pi, so we have 8 pi plus 8 r square plus 10 r h equals to 350 pi. Then this one you can simplify your pi. Okay, we want to write h in terms of r. So meaning here we have 10 rh will be equals to 350 minus 8 r square. Alright, so now you have your h will be 350 minus 8 r square divided by 10 r. Okay, that's all.